All right, in this video, let's talk about your first 30 days online, what to focus on and what to ignore. Okay, so your very first 30 days online, what I will do in your situation is that create videos. Okay, I'm going to keep reinforcing, create your own videos, create it. Okay, now maybe perhaps you don't know what to talk about, right? Maybe you're just like not sure what to talk about. Think of it like this, guys. If you guys are afraid of doing videos, just think of it like this. Okay, nobody actually cares. Nobody cares. People just care about the value that you can give them. Okay, so think of it like this. Your first 30 days online, I want you guys to focus a video a day. If you can't even do a video a day, what I highly suggest is to do 2 videos a week or even 3 videos a week. Okay, if you can do 2 videos a week, watch it compounds to 3. If you could do 3 videos a week, watch it compounds to a video a day. So the whole purpose of this video is to get you started. So let's stick out on how I create my own videos. Okay, let's keep it very simple. Okay, what I'll do is hook slash or a title. Okay, now value. So this is like the formula. Okay, hook, title, value, or not or, but and also a call to action. Okay, obviously there's a lot more, but when you're starting out, watch when you find your unique style when it comes towards doing videos. In the future, I'm going to go and teach you more stuff on what to add in your videos, but this is the fundamentals when it comes towards any video marketing, any videos when it comes towards this. Okay, this is crucial. So a title, what can you talk about? What's the topic that you can talk about? Okay, value is basically sharing what you know. Okay, now a call to action basically means you're leading towards either a website or ask people to subscribe. Okay, so these 3. I would just focus on these for the next 30 days. Like, just do that. Pick a topic. Okay, give value, showing what you know, sharing what you know. Okay, and a call to action at the end of your video, or it could be in the middle of your video, and just be like, make sure you guys subscribe towards this YouTube channel for more weekly videos for you guys, right? Because at the end of the day, people want more. Okay, so you have to think of it like this: what kind of title and hook that I can get my audience to view my video? Okay, the value that you can give. What do you know that you can share towards mankind, towards the world? Okay, and to call to action, it could be like, oh, make sure you guys subscribe towards this YouTube channel for more weekly videos. Or you can get them in towards your free training. It could be a cheat sheet. It could be a Google Doc, etc. Okay, so this is what I'll focus on. The hook and title is super important. Okay, just get them to why are they visiting your videos in the first place, and give them value. Okay, just give them value and call to action. Let's keep this simple. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Obviously there's few. I just want you guys to focus on that. Now watch what happens when you do this. You're going to find your unique style in doing videos. When it comes towards doing videos, who cares what people think? If you don't even get no views, who cares? Okay, what matters is that you taking action. You're doing what I would say 80% of people are not willing to do. Okay, trust me on this. Who cares what people think? Who cares if you get like a hater or whatever the case is? At the end of the day, guys, you are sharing what you know towards the world. Okay, you're gonna have positive comments, you're gonna have haters, you're gonna have positive. It's a balance. Who cares? It helps with the algorithm. Okay, think of it like this: if you guys are getting a bunch of haters on your YouTube video, it's going to help you. It's going to help the algorithm to put your videos there more out there. It's called life. Okay? Just think of it like this. It's just an illusion. Just share what you know. Talk about a topic, share what you know, and give a specific call to action. Because at the end of the day, I'm telling you, it's going to be life changing. Okay? You're going to realize the amount of people who are liking your videos or commenting on your videos, and people who are, and you're going to deal with this. But at the end of the day, um the whole point of this video is to help you your first 30 days online, what to focus on. Now, the things that I would ignore are just hopping on towards YouTube videos after YouTube videos after YouTube videos. Okay? I'm pretty sure you're in a stage where you have enough knowledge to share towards the world, because think about it, everybody consume informational things online. Just share what you know. Okay, so in this video I'm just trying to keep it very, very short, and make sure you guys subscribe towards this YouTube channel, so I'm going to be go and continuously sharing what I know. And I'll see you guys in the next one.